Right, it's time to start work. I'm going to use the Titan SDS drill on the little brick wall and see how it performs. Okay, so this is the problem area, which is a probably quite shallow brick retaining wall for an old patio, which extends from by the shed up to about here. So I've tried to take some out with a crowbar and failed. Sledgehammer failed. Hammer and chisel failed. So now I'm going to try this machine from Screwfix Titan SDS drill. Let's see what happens. So I've got the bricks out, and I discovered there's this concrete base, which I think will be a bit more difficult. Hey ho. Okay, mission accomplished. All the bricks and concrete base removed. Took about 60 minutes. It wasn't easy, but job done. So pretty pleased with the performance of the SDS drill. Here's the hole. I'll be planting a shrub in there in due course. But yeah, pleased.